Welcome to Sparks Toyota. Here we have a 2016 Toyota Tundra 4-wheel drive limited. It has a clean Carfax and comes with power heated mirrors, step rails, splash guards, deep tinted glass, and much more. 20-inch split 5-spoke aluminum alloy wheels, performance tires, fully automatic aero composite halogen daytime running headlamps, fog lights, and a strong 8-cylinder 4-wheel drive with only 35,795 miles. A power rear window, the bed cover, the tow package, a locking tailgate, and a comfortable back seat with cup holders and under-seat storage. We can't forget about the power sunroof, the front row power heated leather seating, cruise, dual zone auto climate, a garage door opener, a locking glove box, a leather steering wheel with convenience controls, the multimedia and navigation touchscreen with a CD player, Bluetooth and voice recognition, and a backup camera to make backing up a breeze. Please let us know if you have any questions, and thank you for watching.